Look at this, people. 12:30 p.m. and your boy is done. When you're a truck driver, you know, I usually try to get up about 3:30, 4 in the morning. So you figure you got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12:30 now. So that's about 8.5 hours of driving, because I'm a recap driver where you do about 8.5, 9 hours a day. And then plus I don't deliver till tomorrow. The place I'm going to does not have overnight parking. So I basically had to stop now. It is quite a layover or whatever till my actual appointment time. This place, I can't do it early, so I do have to wait. But at least I have my choice of parking. So in trucking, always remember the early bird catches the worm. So do not be lazy. Get your ass up about 2, 3, 4 in the morning. By 12 or 1, 2 at the latest, you're done. And in the world of trucking, that can make all the difference in the world as far as decent parking spots.